Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Here I share recipes for delicious and interesting dishes. Today we're making a braided chicken and savory mushroom pie that's absolutely sure to surprise and delight your family and friends. And it's also very easy to prepare. It only takes 40 minutes.
Subscribe to our channel now because we release new videos every single week. Marinate the chicken fillet with salt and spices. I'm using paprika and chili. Fry it and cut into cubes. Next, saute the mushrooms and onions over medium heat. Then add the chicken, spinach, cream, a bit of mozzarella and salt. Cover and let it cook for a couple of minutes until the cream thickens slightly. Carefully roll out the dough. Then cut a thin strip along the outer edges. Place the filling in the center and sprinkle plenty of grated mozzarella or any other cheese of your choice on top. Twist the dough strips and lay them over the filling, pressing them down firmly at the edges. Brush with egg yolk and bake in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. Finally, brush the beautifully finished golden brown braid with melted butter, fresh herbs, and garlic if you so desire. Try it while it's warm. It's absolutely mouth-watering and delicious.
This is an absolutely wonderful and simple way to make a truly delicious dish, even if you don't want to fuss too much. You'll find even more fantastic recipes for delicious dishes right here on our channel. Please subscribe for more and we will see you again very soon. Bye bye for now.